Welcome to Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. The question is, what are the best cars for Turo? That really depends. It's really subjective, but I could go on many different tactics, but I'm going to take a different angle. Consider this. Do your absolute best to select a vehicle that's like 4 cylinders, maybe max 6 cylinders, that's low gas burning. That will usually go a long way these days, and even in general, people don't like spending on gas. It's just how it is. So when they have the car, they don't want to spend a lot of money on gas. Now, if you have a high-end car or a luxury car, that's a whole nother class with itself. But if you're just the general Turo host who has regular cars, do your best to pick 4-cylinder preferably, but 6-cylinder cars that have low burn rate for gas. So that way your guests aren't paying a lot of money for gas. And that way, that's actually a benefit. People want to spend as little as possible on gas. They don't care about it. They put it in there because it's necessary. Do your best to pick cars that are 4 to 6 cylinders, in my personal opinion. Anyways, that's a quick tip. Love you guys. Like, subscribe, share. Carl out.